All right, guys, we're getting ready to go put the most expensive piece of Scotch tape in history onto Harmony. So we've got to go up in the lift because we suspect our sensor magnets may have become unglued. We used hot glue to put them on, and we think one of them failed, or maybe both of them failed. So we've got to go remedy the situation here as winter's coming on and go up onto the roof with all this rigmarole just to put one tiny piece of Scotch tape onto the unit on top. More to come when we get up there. Okay, guys, so here's the problem. This little sensor in there, we'll have to rotate this and give you a better view, but we can see it now. The magnets came off, or something's wrong there. So we're going to investigate, but we had to open things up here.
Hey all, we got Chris here on the roof doing some emergency repairs.
Good grief. Our magnets came off, and they were actually, Jeremy found it literally stuck to the main worm wheel, which would have been super dangerous because that's the one place you don't want it. We used hot glue to put these on initially. We're going to come up with a better plan to get these attached in the future. We already came up with a plan. We picked this rather than electrician's tape because Scotch tape is really thin and it holds pretty well as long as it's not doing any work or under any strain. It should be perfectly fine for this. Okay. Now, should I put one more piece of tape around it for a good measure?
Probably.
Okay, that is not going anywhere. And I think that Scotch tape will hold up just fine. Okay, I think we're good there. Good grief. Okay.
I think
crazy, but
I think another good thing to note is that our compartment is staying nice and dry in there.
Yep. Yeah. And this isn't even sealed up or anything like it would be in the, the
final application, right?
Go ahead and furl, Brian. We should see the little light up. Okay. Yep.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the tape is bumping against the sidewall because I couldn't get the tape perfect. But that won't matter. I took a separate piece of tape around it, so I think we'll be good. Okay, I think we're good, Brian.
Alright, so give me 1 second here.
Mm-hmm.
Is everyone's fingers clear?
Yes.
Yeah, we're good.
We're good.
Okay.
You gonna try the auto?
Yep.
Go ahead. Yeah, it's working. It's seeking home. There we go. It just found home. It worked perfect. Okay.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, thanks, Brian.
All right. So yeah, that was the most expensive piece of Scotch tape I've ever put on anything in my life. Probably Guinness Book World Record Scotch tape there. But it gets our sensor back into functioning state, and we're good. So there's Harmony. Happy again. Yeah, those magnets, the hot glue did not hold up to the cold weather. And when we put it on in the shop, we tested it, and it seemed like it was really holding really well, but apparently cold weather and hot glue don't mix. So the, you know, slight expansion and contraction probably just fractured the joint there. And that was it. So the Scotch tape will hold us through the winter. We should be good. All right, guys. One of those crazy adventure days. Happy, Thursday morning. Okay, guys, we're back. I think we were only total time start to finish. That was probably, I don't know if it was even 40 minutes. We were really quick. We're getting good at that. So, taking the lift up, and there she is, back and safe inside. But yeah, the little unit up there, we have a better idea already how to put that on so it'll be permanently in place and we don't have to worry about those magnets anymore. So anyway, Merry Christmas, everyone. We're coming into the last few days before Christmas, and have our little Christmas lights up in here. Let me see where they are. Oh, there they are behind me. They're just dim compared to the bright LED lights. But yeah, so that was absolutely the most expensive piece of Scotch tape I've ever put on anything in my life. Okay, take care. Harmony Turbines. We now have the power to change the world.